Welcome to the best picks. The Best Brow Shaping Kit is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for anyone looking to achieve perfectly sculpted eyebrows with minimal effort, offering a professional salon finish right in the comfort of your own home, and it's designed to be user-friendly for all skill levels, making it an indispensable addition to your makeup routine for achieving flawless brows every single time. Number 5. Docolor Eyebrow Brush Duo. Introducing the Docolor Eyebrow Brush Duo, your new essential for perfectly shaped brows. This professional tool makes lining and shaping a breeze. The angled brush offers precision for detailed work, ensuring clean lines and a polished look. Achieve salon-quality results at home. It also features a versatile spoolie, perfect for blending product and grooming your brows or lashes. Get a natural, seamless finish every time. Crafted for professionals, this brush delivers exceptional performance with its durable design. The elegant white finish adds a touch of sophistication to your makeup collection. Whether you're creating a bold statement or a subtle enhancement, this duo has you covered. It's the ultimate tool for achieving your desired brow look with ease. What we like? This tool offers a dual-ended design for versatile application. Its angled brush is perfect for precise lining and shaping. If you are looking for a simple, effective tool for daily brow definition, this is a great choice. What people say. The stencil shapes are very easy to use and create a perfect brow shape. It comes with a brush that helps to apply the powder evenly. The powder is finely milled and blends well, giving a natural look. Number 4. Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit 16-Piece Eyebrow Makeup Palette. Discover the ultimate tool for perfectly shaped eyebrows. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to achieve your desired look with ease. Inside, you'll find a variety of brow powders, stencils for precise application, and essential tools like a spoolie brush, tweezers, and brow wax. It's your all-in-one solution for flawless brows. Experiment with different styles using the included stencils and versatile powders. Whether you prefer bold and defined or soft and natural, this kit empowers you to create any look. Achieve professional results with high-quality tools designed for precision. The spoolie brush helps blend and shape, while the tweezers ensure perfect grooming. Looking for a unique gift? This brow contour kit makes an ideal present for birthdays or any occasion. Surprise the special woman in your life with a gift she'll truly love. Unleash your brow's full potential with this all-inclusive makeup palette. It's designed to help you achieve salon-quality brows from the comfort of your home. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for brow perfection. With multiple stencils and included wax, it ensures a flawless finish every time. If you want a complete solution for experimenting with different brow shapes or need a gift set, this is ideal. What people say. The stencil shapes are perfect for my brows and make shaping so easy. This kit is great for beginners. The stencils are foolproof and give a professional look. I love how quickly and precisely I can shape my brows with this kit. It saves me so much time. Number 3. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow and Eyeliner Makeup Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows and beautifully defined eyes with this all-in-one makeup kit. It includes everything you need for a flawless look. Our waterproof formula ensures your makeup stays put all day, no matter the conditions. Enjoy smudge-proof brows and liner that lasts. Get symmetrical brows in seconds with the innovative eyebrow stamp. It's designed for quick and easy application, even for beginners. Fill and define your brows with the dual-ended pencil and pomade. This versatile tool allows for natural-looking or bold brow styles. Complete your eye look with the included eyeliner. Create sharp lines or a smoky effect with ease. Achieve a seamless finish with the dual-ended brush. It's perfect for blending product and grooming your brows for a polished appearance. What we like? Its waterproof formula ensures long-lasting wear throughout the day. The combination of a stamp and pencil offers quick and easy application. If you need smudge-proof brows that stay put, especially in humid conditions or for active lifestyles, this is the one for you. What people say. The stencil shapes are easy to use and provide a natural look. The powder is finely milled and blends well, creating a soft, defined brow. The kit includes a brush that is perfect for applying the powder and shaping the brows. Number 2. Inked permanent white brow mapping string. Achieve perfectly symmetrical brows with our pre-inked mapping string. It's designed for precision, making your microblading and permanent makeup application seamless. This string comes pre-inked, saving you time and effort. Get consistent, clear lines every time you map out your client's brows. Essential for any permanent makeup artist or microblading technician. It ensures accuracy in shaping eyebrows for the best results. Each bottle provides a generous 100 feet of string. You'll have plenty to work with for numerous clients and procedures. The white ink creates highly visible marks on all skin tones. This allows for easy visualization and correction during the mapping process. Elevate your brow artistry with this indispensable tool. It's the key to creating flawless, beautifully shaped eyebrows. What we like. This pre-inked string allows for incredibly precise brow mapping. It's designed for permanent makeup and microblading professionals. If you are a professional artist requiring exact symmetry and clean lines for your clients, this tool is essential. What people say. This kit is a game changer for achieving perfectly shaped eyebrows at home. The stencils included are easy to use and provide a great guide for beginners. The powder formula is buildable, allowing for a natural or more dramatic look depending on preference. Number 1. $1 Billion Brows Brow Buddy Kit. Achieve perfectly symmetrical eyebrows with ease. This patented tool guides you to your ideal brow shape effortlessly. Brow mapping has never been simpler. Use this set to precisely outline your brows for flawless tweezing, waxing, or threading. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. It's designed for professional accuracy, making brow perfection accessible to everyone. This kit comes with everything you need to get started. The included white pencil is perfect for marking your desired brow shape before grooming. Discover the secret to beautifully defined brows. It's the essential tool for anyone seeking consistently stunning eyebrows. This convenient two-piece set ensures you have the right tools for precise brow shaping. It's your go-to for brow perfection. What we like. This patented tool is designed for achieving perfect symmetry. It acts as a contouring stencil for accurate brow mapping. If you struggle with uneven brows or want a foolproof way to get balanced arches, this shaping tool will be your new best friend. What people say. The stencil shapes are perfect for creating a natural look. It is easy to use and provides a clean, precise application. The powder is finely milled and blends well, giving a soft, diffused finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.